But one thing is for sure. If you enter here, you'll never get out. Previously, 5 nights at the Rakes forest.
Maybe we could try and climb the hills. Oh no.
Yeah, we got one.
Just gotta wait till it's 12 a.m. and then we get the
I chased the rake into his cave.
Anything interesting?
What?
Anything interesting in it?
No. I couldn't get in there for some reason. I don't know why. It was weird. It was like I felt like I just couldn't get in there. I really wish we had that radar. Yeah.
I'm gonna stay in
It came in handy.
You can go into another corner if you want to.
Oh no. Did I just have 3 screams? Did I just have 4 screams? In a row?
That's most likely at the tower that we wanted to go to. Hopefully the power is gonna last. I didn't think of that.
Oh yeah. Anyone? Holy crap.
Attention. Power plant has reached critical temperature. Please turn off and let it rest for a bit before it automatically shuts down and maybe catches on fire.
Oh my god.
Speak of the devil itself.
Come on.
It's a 2-in-1. Someone has to distract him for me to be.
Yeah. But distracting him is basically a death wish.
It's better than nothing.
Do you wanna know something funny, Hayden? We were supposed to get off the bus. Okay? We were supposed to get off the bus and go home. And then I was gonna play on my console and now I can't.
console? And that console is.
PS4. But whatever.
Hurry up.
Like, don't rush perfection, mate. And that's Bam Bam Christmas Sam. Oh no, now I have to. Oh, ow, oh no. Oh crap. Okay, let's go.
Very soon. So we have to go.
Come on.
Like now.
Wait, what?
We have to go like now. He's probably coming this way as we speak.
Oh, okay.
Just remember, he goes to light. That's light over there.
True. I just want to play Marvel Rivals, man. Hell.
Option with rupees around.
Oh, the right on top. Do you know how long until?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh crap. It's Hayden? What the hell? Hayden, are you alive? Oh my god. Crap. The rake is coming, bro, for everyone. Hayden, do you still have your walkie-talkie? Over.
I am here. Over.
Where are you? Over.
Base camp. Over.
Oh my god. Ah! Ah! How the hell did he get here? Oh my god. Oh.
Action!
Hayden! Are you serious right now? Hayden, I think you can teleport at this point. I think you can.
Hey, he's right there.
I think you can teleport it. You do it the same.
Now my head feels like it was just hit on a bunch of rocks. Dragged on me.
Papa,
I can't believe Alex just led him to me like that. That was kind of rude.
I can't believe this shit. I literally just woke up and the thing was chasing Hayden.
Right there.
Observation tower should be around too. Oh yay. Okay.
Safe.
Right, well, time to try and survive in the radio tower. The observation tower. Which is so hard to do.
Alex, are you there? Great.
Like I literally just woke up and then Hayden was being chased by the rake. That is annoying. Is that Hayden? No, I don't think that is, right? Yeah, that's not Hayden. Right.
Yes! 6 a.m.
Oh my god. Holy crap. That's the best. Well, jumpity. Time to get something at the shop. Yay. Um, how about I get the first aid kits? And I shall save up for the tracker. Oh,
Oh, what's up,
hello.
Alex?
Hello.
Do you have your radio?
No.
Go to the safe house now and get one.
I literally woke up and you were being chased by the Rakes.
Well, see, that's so sad. And this time,
Oh, yay.
and Alex, this time, don't straight up just lead him to
What do you mean?
Go a different path.
What do you mean?
You went exactly to where I went, to get his attention on me.
He got me, and then I woke up where you were.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, I'm not letting you.
I'm going to the tower then.
Good.
Alex, are you still alive? Over.
Yeah, I'm here. Over.